Why when I wear this shirt, I feel like dancing? It's Tina Turner shirt I got from Amazon right after she died. You know, it's this shirt made me want to go church house, school outhouse, on highway number 19. People keep the city clean. They call it Nutbush. Oh, Nutbush. Nutbush City, baby. Nutbush City. What's love got to do with it? What's love? A secondhand emotion. What's love got to do with it? Who needs a heart when the heart can't be broken? It be rolling, rolling on a river. Man, this shirt, I tell you, uh, uh, uh. Well, today we talking about restoration. Yeah, day is devotion, Joel chapter 2, verse 25 through 26, King James Version. And I will restore to you the years that the locusts have eaten, the cankerworm and the caterpillar and the palmer worm, my great army which I sent among you, and ye shall eat in plenty and be satisfied, and praise the name of the Lord your God that hath dealt wondrously with you, and my people shall never be ashamed. Yes, yes, yes. Y'all remember this movie, Million Dollar Baby? This movie is a story of restoration. You know, you know, yes. It's a strong movie. And what got me was Morgan Freeman got the best supporting actor in this, but he should have been got an Oscar. You know, he should have got an Oscar for this movie. The part where he slapped Denzel Washington, said who who is you calling the N word? You know, yeah. He slapped the taste out of Denzel Washington's mouth. You know, set him straight. Yeah. But no, he gonna get an Oscar for when he defended that disabled guy in the movie, and he gonna get the Oscar for this. You know, yeah, this movie, you know, she remind me of Job in the Bible. You know, she lost everything, like a reverse Job, and then she died at the end. You know, and it leaves the question: did she really lose everything? You know, yeah. Did she really? You know, yeah. Oh boy, yes, Lord. So yeah, this is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. And um, this is the year of restoration, revive, 2025, revive, restore. Yes, God. I'm um, still healing from this cold. Oh, y'all. Oh, cold kicking my butt. You know, I I rebuke COVID. I ain't had COVID. I have not caught COVID. You know, have not gotten the flu. You know, none of that. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Hold on for a minute. I want to show y'all something else. Hold on. Yeah. Y'all, out there tripping off of, and yeah, that's Mufasa, tripping off of that. And I ain't gonna lie, when I seen that, I said, ooh, I'm pregnant. I said, oh my God, you know, yeah, but no, y'all. Y'all see my Lion King shirt? This is supposed to be Mufasa when he said, remember who you are, Simba. It's only one Mufasa, and that's James L. Jones. Point blank, period. You know, you know, point blank, period, the end. End the story. I seen the Lion King in Baltimore when it came, and the Lion King is coming back here too. Came back to the hippodrome. Yeah. Anyway, y'all. Oh, thought I show y'all my Mufasa shirt. Mufasa, you know, child, please. Yeah. Like after a while, you know what? I ain't gonna lie. I kept playing that J Hud a video over and over, and I kept looking at him. I say, ooh, ooh. But now, you know, it is what it is. It's only one Mufasa. You know, ain't nobody taking James Earl Jones' place. You know, that's right. And God bless y'all. Believe in your restoration this year. And on Jesus' name.